everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today my beautiful client Lisa has come back. She's had these nails on for 4 weeks and we are going to start off and remove the old design. So I sanitize her hands and my hands, and then I'm coming in with this extra coarse bit from nail.supplies. The link will be in the description box. And we're just going to remove the design, do all our prep work, and then we're going to go ahead and do our clear layer. Sorry, I haven't been very active. I have been trying to position my phone in a different way because my old lamp broke, so I had to use a new lamp. I then had to find a new way to put my tripod onto this lamp, and then I'm having some real issues with it, so it's too low, and so my head keeps getting in the way, which is super frustrating for me and for you. So there is a couple of times where my head gets in the way, and I can only apologise for this. I did do a whole video yesterday, and the whole time my head was in the way, so it mega peed me off. So I've gone ahead, pushed back her cuticles, removed any lifting, and this hand always gets quite significant lifting on it. She works a very hard job, which is why she has them so short. So she, she's forever lifting big machines and boxes and metal crates and cranes and all that stuff. So she does experience quite a bit of lifting. So on this set today, I have used a different primer. I've gone in and used Young Nails Protein Bond today to see if that reduces any of that lifting issue we have. She's the only client that I have that gets that lifting in such a significant way, which obviously adds time to your service as well when you want to just remove it, and you're then having to take care to remove every little bit of lifting, because the last thing you want to do is be giving your clients any greenies or anything like that. So it's just a bit of a ball ache. Anyway, I'm going in with CJP Crystal Glass and I'm doing a clear layer on all of the nails. I do this on most of my clients who come, especially the ones who come back for redesigns. I'm now coming in with Tooth Fairy, and we're just going to create a cute little ombre with that and Slush Fairy. This ring on this ring finger, I'm coming in with coconut milk, and I'm just laying this down for a base to put our glitters onto, because these glitters are like more iridescent. When you apply them onto like a colour or a white, it just makes the colour of the glitter pop more. So I'm just going to do like an ombre with the two glitters. The glitters are the Pearl Multi-Cut from the Glitter Fairy. I have no idea what their names are. I think one's called Cloud, and I'm just doing like an ombre with that, and then I'll leave them to set into place before we come back and cap. So just trying to nudge them into place and then make it look like ombre'd. And then I'm coming in on this middle finger and using Smashed Peach and doing another ombre. Today I'm using my big boy brush. And there's my head in the way. It's so annoying. And we're just going to ombre that with a Slush Fairy again. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so sorry. Super frustrating. Especially when the angle has been so good for so long. I haven't had these issues for so long, and it's only since I've changed my lamp down to this low lamp that I'm really struggling. So I've had to crop out this nail because my head was just completely in the way the whole time. So basically I've just laid down that white base, gone in with the blue horizontal glitter, and now I'm coming in with like the peachy pink one horizontally on the other side and ombreing it in between the middle. And the thumb is just going to be another Tooth Fairy and Slush Fairy ombre. And then we're going to come back and cap those glitter nails. I haven't recorded any filing today because we were going to go in and do some stamping and some pigment. So I didn't leave that in. But it's just the same method as always. You guys know how I file by now. So I'm using the Big Pink Bling Jelly Stamper, clear jelly stamper from nail.supplies, and their plate as well. I'll leave the link and the names in the description box. This is the only stamping stuff I can use. I cannot stamp with anything else. I have all the Moyu, I have all the, what's the other one? I can't remember the name of it, but I had all the high-end make ones and I can't stamp with them. So this is the only one I can use. And then I'm applying some Aurora pigment from Glitter Planet onto the index finger on a no wipe top coat that was already cured. And now I'm coming in and top coating all the nails. On this ring finger and the index finger, this is the second coat of top coat. I just cured the first top coat only halfway, so it was still tacky, so our second coat had something to stick onto. I'll cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds, apply her cuticle oil, and then that's the end of the video. I'm really sorry about the head. It won't be in the next one. But if you did like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do. I would love that. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all again in my next one. And hopefully my head will not be in the way. Bye-bye.